everyone. So today is Friday. It is the end of our second week of school, which is kind of hard to believe that it's already been 2 weeks, but here we are anyway. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what today's class looked like. It is kind of just to finish it up week. Next week, we will start really hitting the pacing guide and the writing standards and really diving into writing strategies and everything like that. So this week, my primary goal was to continue getting everybody comfortable and to get a writing sample. So hopefully we did that. So here is Schoology. You should today go into your writing class, and you'll see again, I added the Pruitt homeroom, Google Classroom, or if you're in a different class, it's each homeroom's class. So just by clicking that, it automatically takes you to the right Google Classroom, which is great. In the folder for today, as I publish it here, in the folder for today, we have the meeting link, of course, the attendance ticket, which today asks you if you went to Taco Bell or just ate a taco. Do you prefer that taco to be a crunchy taco or a soft taco? I prefer a soft taco. And then the other thing is today's to-do list, which is very simple. It is just to complete the work in the Google Classroom. So I bring that up and I give you today to do that because I'm still missing a ton of work. Oh, shoot, sorry. So you should be able to click on that Google Classroom link in your writing class. It'll take you right to the right classroom. And all I need today is for you to finish the things in Google Classroom. Okay, remember this final draft is due today. Get the rest of them done as well. And that's really it. You know, I'm trying to give you ample time to get your writing sample into me so that I have a kind of starting point for where you're writing this year, so that at the end of the year, we can see how your writing has changed. The other thing I want to talk about ever so briefly is that we do have an update to our schedule. So let me pop open the schedule here. This is for my homeroom. So I'm going to post this same video across all the classes. This is my homeroom schedule. But what is really different is the times, not really the classes. We didn't really change the order in which you have your teachers, other than to say you'll have a special, or you'll have us after specials now. But the order that you go to your 6 core classes still exists. You start with me or whoever your homeroom teacher is in the morning, but instead of 9:15 to 9:45, that's now 9:15 to 10. And the classes are 45 minutes long. And then you have your second period now ends at 10:50. You'll have your third period, which wraps up at 11:40. And then your fourth period will wrap up at 12:30. And then it's time for lunch. Lunch gets pushed back just a little bit. 12:30 to 1 o'clock is lunch. And then 1 to 1:30 for you guys is specials. And then the 1:35 class is your 5th period class now. And then your 6th period will take you all the way to 3:10. That means the time in the afternoon where we had this small group sort of thing that nobody really was sure what to do during, that is now over. So I've posted this schedule in every single homeroom. If you're in Smith's homeroom, you have Smith's schedule. So, oh, that's the wrong one. If you're in Smith's homeroom, you have Smith's schedule, which means it looks different than my homeroom. It's the schedule that you need, has me a second period. Okay, and that's the case across all of them. If we just jump down to period 5, Thompson's homeroom schedule. The right schedule, so your specific schedule, is in the writing class. Whenever you have me, you can always go to your writing class to find your schedule. Okay, I tried to do that to make your lives just a little bit easier so you knew where to look. Okay, so today, again, one more time, today in your writing class, in the week 2 folder, in the folder for Friday, August 28th, the meeting link is there, attendance ticket is there, it's very easy, and then the to-do list for today just tells you you need to go to Google Classroom. And remember to go to Google Classroom, it's the first thing that you see when you log in. That's the link that takes you directly to the correct classroom, okay? I should have this posted up here in a few minutes. This is before the day started, so that's kind of exciting. I look forward to seeing you guys. And if you watch this and don't talk to me today, have a great weekend. All right, let's get going. See you guys.